Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Sign into the affected account and verify the Microsoft 365 license is active, because corrupted licenses or expired subscriptions block services. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, locate Microsoft 365, and choose Modify to run Quick Repair. If that fails, run Online Repair. Online fixes files and registry entries. Make sure Windows Update is current and reboot. This clears pending OS updates that often interfere with Office components. Next, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates detection and can repair activation, Outlook, and installation issues, which saves time versus manual steps. While that runs, inspect Event Viewer under Windows Logs application for Office-related errors to identify conflicting components. Also open Office in safe mode by holding Control while launching. Then disable COM add-ins inside Options because faulty add-ins are frequent culprits. If safe mode fixes it, re-enable. If problems persist, fully uninstall Microsoft 365 and reinstall cleanly. Use the Office Uninstall Support tool when standard uninstall fails to remove residual files. You should also create a fresh Windows user profile to rule out user-specific corruption, sign in, test Office, and if it works, migrate Outlook PSD/OneDrive files. Finally, temporarily disconnect VPNs and third-party security software because network filters or agent hooks commonly block activation and online verification. If that resolves it, adjust exclusions and re-enable protections carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.